Dubai, a tourist paradise and a dream city. A Dubai trip is never complete without some shopping. Today we are going to take you to one of the largest shopping malls in Dubai, Mall of the Emirates. Located in the heart of Dubai, Mall of the Emirates is the world's first shopping resort. The mall consists of 630-plus brand shops, over 100 restaurants and cafes, world's largest indoor ski resort, two of the world's most popular five-star hotel chains. This video will show you what you can shop at this mall, what are the entertainment options you have here, what options you have to dine in, the hotels attached to it, what facilities you will find here, and last but not the least, how to get to Mall of the Emirates. Now let's have some window shopping. Spared in total 255,000 leasable area, the mall have total 80 luxury store and 250 flagship stores. You will find all the big brands and departmental stores under one roof. Starting form, Calvin Klein, Zara, H&M, Levi, Louis Vuitton, and whatnot. Trust me, even a day-long shopping won't satisfy you here. At the ground floor, you will find one of the largest Carrefour outlets where you can find all your daily needs. But when you are tired of shopping and need some rest, drop by at any of the coffee shops and have some rest. You can always catch the latest blockbusters in comfort and style at the Vox Cinema, which will give you a magical cinema experience. If you're traveling with kids, Mall of the Emirates won't disappoint you. VR experience, Dreamscape, and Magic Planet is there for your little ones. Toy shops and their random shows will mesmerize your kids with joy. And there will be waiting for you in the middle of Dubai's desert, world's largest indoor ski resort and snow park, Ski Dubai. You can have hell of a time with your family, enjoying with the snow. The mall is a one-stop solution for all services to support your shopping needs, starting from ATM, bank, money exchange, and telecom services. Apart from an excellent shopping encounter, Mall of the Emirates will treat you with an outstanding dining experience. With over more than 100 restaurants and cafes, the mall lets you taste varieties of cuisines. The food experience and taste will blow your mind away. But don't forget to try the hookah bar, situated right outside main entrance, which is open till late night, and you can feel a different vibe out there. Now comes the most important part. How do you reach the mall? The biggest advantage is the location. Situated at the heart of Dubai and on Sheikh Zayed Road, the mall can be seen from a distance. Best way is to take the Dubai Metro Red Line and get down at the Mall of the Emirates stop. The station is adjacent to the mall and connected with a bridge. Metro is the best way to move around the whole city of Dubai, as almost all the major attractions are well connected to Metro. You can get more information on Dubai Metro in our separate video on it, which describes all details of Dubai Metro and its attractions. Other than Metro, you can also take a taxi to get to Mall of the Emirates. At two of the corners of the mall, you have two of the luxurious five-star hotels, the Sheraton, Mall of the Emirates, and Kempinski, Mall of the Emirates. Mall of the Emirates is a one-stop shopping experience while you are in Dubai, and you can take these memories back home with you. If you have liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to all our new episodes and explore the world in our lens. Till then, take care and stay safe. We will meet you with another video with some more interesting stories and attractions.